I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Family. It's a fantastic way to maximize your Prime membership by sharing its many benefits with your loved ones. You can link up to 2 adults and as many as 4 children, creating a central hub for managing shared services. This feature helps streamline your family's Amazon experience, making it more convenient and cost-effective for everyone. Let's dive into how you can set it up and what amazing perks await your family. With Amazon Family, everyone in your household can enjoy core Prime benefits. Imagine getting fast, free delivery on countless items, making shopping incredibly convenient. You can also dive into a world of entertainment with Prime Video, offering a wide selection of movies and series. Plus, explore a rich collection of digital books and audiobooks through Prime Reading, perfect for every family member. Setting up your Amazon Family is simple through your account settings. You can invite another adult and add up to 4 children, creating unique profiles for each. For kids, you gain access to parental controls, allowing you to manage content and set screen time limits on their devices. Plus, you can share a family library of digital content, ensuring everyone enjoys their favorite books and apps. Amazon Family offers even more ways to enhance your experience. Adults can enjoy personalized shopping recommendations based on their individual profiles. Teens can have their own login, making purchases with your approval. You can also switch between family accounts on Alexa-enabled devices and easily share photos or shopping lists. It truly makes managing your family's digital life on Amazon seamless and connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.